You've worked hard to establish your LLC, and now you're considering taking that big step of moving its registration to Delaware. You are not alone in this. In fact, over 2/3 of Fortune 500 companies are incorporated right here in Delaware. Before we go over how to domesticate your LLC, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics that keep LLCs in compliance. Now, you might be wondering why Delaware is such a magnet for businesses, big and small. It's simple, really. Delaware has a long history of having a business-friendly environment. Its court system, the Court of Chancery, is well renowned for its expertise in business law. This means that legal disputes can often be resolved swiftly and efficiently. But shifting your LLC to another state isn't always a walk in the park. It can be a tad complex and time-consuming. This is where we step in at legalregistration.com. We are here to make this transition as smooth as butter for you. With years of experience under our belt, we are recognized as the #1 business registration organization in America. Our experts take pride in their deep understanding of the domestication process. It's like we have a roadmap in our back pocket that guides us in navigating the legal maze. This way, you can focus on what you do best: running your business. So, if you're thinking of domesticating your LLC in Delaware, think of us as your friendly neighborhood guide. We're here to simplify the process, eliminate the hassles, and save you some precious time. Trust us, it's a decision you won't regret. To domesticate your LLC quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to do so over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on LLC domestication? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.